Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, claiming nearly 18 million lives each year? That's one death every 34 seconds. But here's the good news. A significant portion of heart disease is preventable, and one of the most powerful tools we have is our diet. Today we're diving into the world of superfoods, nutrient-rich foods that can help protect your heart and enhance your overall wellness. In this video, you'll discover which superfoods are particularly beneficial for heart health, the science behind their benefits, and practical tips on how to easily incorporate them into your daily meals. So, let's unlock the secrets to cardiovascular wellness together. First, let's take a moment to understand heart disease. Simply put, heart disease refers to a range of conditions that affect your heart, including coronary artery disease, heart rhythm problems, and heart defects. Globally, nearly 1 in 3 deaths is attributed to cardiovascular diseases. Risk factors. Heart disease risk factors can be classified into 2 categories: modifiable and non-modifiable. Non-modifiable factors include age, gender, and family history. However, the good news is that lifestyle choices, especially our diet, are modifiable. Eating a poor diet, lacking physical activity, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption can all significantly increase your risk. That's why today's focus on superfoods is crucial. They can be game changers in combating these risks. So, what exactly are superfoods? The term superfood refers to foods that are exceptionally high in nutrients and beneficial compounds. They are often packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are particularly beneficial for heart health. Nutritional powerhouses. For instance, many superfoods contain antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation, and fiber that aids in cholesterol management. It's all about giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive and protect your heart. Superfood. Number 1, berries. Berries are a fantastic choice for heart health due to their high levels of antioxidants called flavonoids. These compounds help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation. Oh, and here's a quick cooking tip. Add berries to your morning oatmeal or toss them into salads for a delicious nutrient boost. Next up is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids known to lower triglycerides and reduce the risk of arrhythmias. And for a tasty treat, aim for 2 servings a week, grill or bake them. Leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins A, C, K, and folate. These greens also contain fiber that helps lower cholesterol levels. Here's a cooking tip. Add them to smoothies or saute them with garlic for a flavorful side dish. Nuts and seeds like almonds and chia seeds provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These nutrients contribute to lowering bad cholesterol levels. Keep a handful handy for a quick, healthy snack on the go. Avocados are famous for their heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can lower bad cholesterol. They're also high in potassium, essential for heart health. Use them in salads or as a creamy base for smoothies. Whole grains like quinoa and oats are rich in fiber that can help reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Swap out white bread for whole grain or try a hearty grain bowl for lunch. Yes, dark chocolate can be heart healthy. Packed with antioxidants, it can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. But remember, moderation is key. Tip: choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa for maximum benefits. Now let's clear up some misconceptions about superfoods. Myth versus fact. Many believe all superfoods are expensive or exotic. However, common foods like oats and beans are incredibly nutritious and affordable. Hidden benefits. Additionally, superfoods can improve mood and skin health. For example, omega-3s in fatty fish may alleviate symptoms of depression, while antioxidants in berries promote healthier skin. Let's talk about how to make these superfoods part of your everyday meals. Meal planning ideas. Start by planning meals around these superfoods. For instance, a breakfast smoothie with spinach, berries, and chia seeds. A lunch bowl with quinoa topped with avocado. Dinner featuring baked snacks in tin sas. So, and then motion sa bi koshu di task station. D3 leafy greens. Shopping tips. When shopping, opt for fresh organic produce whenever possible. Ask about the sourcing of your fish. Choose seasonal items for the best quality. Now, let's hear some inspiring stories. Meet Sarah, who struggled with high cholesterol but noticed significant improvements after incorporating fatty fish into her diet. And then there's Tom, who transformed his health by swapping sugary snacks for nuts. These testimonials show that dietary changes can lead to real results. In summary, heart disease is a significant health risk. However, incorporating these superfoods into your diet can help you take proactive steps toward better heart health. Remember, every small change counts.